Let's take a look at how the Ciscoworks LMS portal really helps you make it easier to manage your day-to-day task as a network manager or maybe as a network operator. So here we have a network view that's out of the box that tells you all the interesting things that you need to know what's going on in your network. This severity alert that tells you what's going on in the network, which devices are having problem, are they interface related or the reachability, environment, what have you. You can have all of these right here on your dashboard. This gadget really tells you what the hardware breakdown of your network is. You can have a very quick object finder right here, and you can quickly punch in your IP address or host name, or there's a very lot of other things you can get interesting results on. The other good thing is it's very flexible. So for example, I can quickly drag and drop my portlet from one place to the other and quickly reorganize it. You can even create your own content. So for example, I have this YouTube tab that I just created, and we can start populating this in a matter of seconds. For example, I can click here and I can define what do I really want. For example, I can quickly add my CPU utilization chart, or maybe I can add my historical graphs, or like I can add my memory utilization, or maybe I can even add some of the fancy Web 2.0 stuff, for example your iframe or RSS feed or what have you, and you can quickly customize this and then make it useful for you. Let me show you how you can actually make it more useful by integrating into your apps that you may have and make it a one console that consolidates all of your application. Okay, so I've logged into one of my WCS system. Now you may be wondering, what am I doing with the WCS? As you can see, there are some interesting graphs that I would like to look at it at a regular basis, and I wish I could import this window somehow into my LMS. Can I do that? Absolutely. So let's take a look at how quickly you can do that. For example, I have my wireless portlet that I've just created, or portal, and that can quickly help me get this information in a matter of minutes here. So once I switch to my wireless view, so there's my radio reachability, there's my client traffic, it's initializing, and then you have your controller reachability and so forth. So you can have all of your in-house tools that are web-based. You can consolidate all of these in this manner into one place, and you can have a very good handle on network managing.